Hey, so we are the Dream Trackers. My name is Miles. So what we've been doing since the last time, we've done some more research into the PV mirror concept that we're going to be using and start to develop that and how we're going to integrate that with CSP, which is concentrated solar power. So what we've been doing since our last video is more of a basic concept design, development, and getting into our detailed design, which we'll be presenting when we have a presentation next week. So yeah, we've been getting more into this, and Akram will talk about more of the concept development.
Up to this point, we've completed the system level design. Within the system level design, we have completed the block diagram for our solar tracker. The solar tracker is going to be including, as Miles discussed, the PV mirror. The whole goal of our project is actually for research purposes, and now Chris is going to be explaining to you guys a more detailed design of what we'll be doing.
Alright, so I'm going to talk a little bit more about the detailed design. So in the detailed design, we've laid out a little bit more of the blueprints for our project, drawn it out, kind of sized everything up a little bit more so that way we could get a more proper fit for it all. Now our step is going to be to more implement it in more of like a SolidWorks layout so we can test it and make sure that everything fits properly and will work for the solar tracker with the PV mirror. And then once that's done, we'll have to obviously try to find the parts needed. But Sadiq is going to now talk to you a little bit more about what we're going to do for the next progress report, as well as what we're going to do for the next video.
So for what we've discussed so far, we are going to implement to our progress report all the systems level design, the block diagrams, and detailed design for our progress report for next week. For our next video, what we will want to implement is figure out and research what parts we want to have for the electrical parts and the mechanical parts, and start to gather those pieces and figure out how long the delay is for the manufacturing for it.